Congratulations on setting up your new trampoline. Now I'm going to show you how to put up the tent. Place a halo connector on top of each assembled net pole. The two ends should be facing in toward the center of the trampoline. Push down until the hole in the halo connector is aligned with the hole on the net pole. Standing on a ladder, insert each halo pole into the halo connector and position them so the push button aligns with the hole in the corresponding halo ring. Push down until you hear them click on both ends. If you have a 14-foot trampoline, which is an extra large Vuly 2 or an extra large Thunder, you'll need to remove the little plug in the net cap at the top of each net pole and add the extender pole before replacing the cap. Take one corner of the tent roof and hook it over the net pole. Repeat this process all the way around the trampoline. Push the plastic bolts through the hole in the tent roof. Wrap the clip on each section underneath the halo pole and attach it securely. Insert the bolts anti-clockwise, starting with the door section, and zip the walls together. Clip the door around the 3 leaf springs. Clip the rope sections around 2 leaf springs. Attach the Velcro around each leaf spring. Unstick the Velcro from the window corners. Squeeze the rope lock and pull the rope to raise the window. Roll the window and stick it to the Velcro. Congratulations on finishing your trampoline tent and roof.